Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this vegetable fried rice. This here is from Bibigo. This is at Costco. It was, yeah, so it was new. So let's just check this out here. It is cooks in 4 minutes. Bold of flavors. Let's see, with egg, carrots, and edamame. So it does have egg in it. Let's see. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. So you got cooked rice. It doesn't look like there's any meat in it. So they got some Napa cabbage. Oh, there's a little bit of kimchi in there. See that right there? A little bit. And it does have egg in there. That's about it I see. So, all right, let's open this up and we'll cook it up and do a quick taste test. Be right back. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It comes in little individual packets, which is actually kind of handy. Yeah, I'm gonna cook this up. You're probably gonna need to add some water to it to make it not so dry and hard. So, all right, stay tuned. Rice. I'm gonna tell you, this rice smells really good. Like, it's so aromatic. You can smell like the peppers and everything else. Actually, really cool. Oh yeah, it's really good. So if you look at the rice, it's got charring on it. It's actually really flavorful. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Even the cat likes it. So, all right, stay tuned for more videos.